Hey guys and girls, scrubs. So a bit of a better look here. So there's bird etching. There's another one. You can see it's pretty bad. There's more up here. There's a bad one there, and there's another one here. Now, it's not necessarily rough to the touch. It's pretty smooth. So what's happened? Obviously it's been on there during the day. It gets parked out in the sun 3-4 hours of an afternoon. So what's happened is birds obviously dropped on it. Your paint's hot. So think of your paint like your skin pores. So as it's hot, your skin pores open, your sweat draws out of your skin. Paint's the same. Heats up, pores of the paint will open up. Overnight as it cools down, same as your skin, your pores of your skin contract. Same with paint. So if during the day in the heat, your pores of your paint are open like this, a bird poops on your paint, right? And then as it cools down, it contracts, the bird poop gets stuck in under your clear coat or into the pores of your clear coat. Now, if it's left too long, it can go into your base coat. So what I've done here, we've got another one down here, which I took photos of before, but they weren't as good as what I'm getting on this angle. But anyway, so this one here was the same as these. Pretty nasty, like not necessarily rough to touch, like that one's smooth, your fingers run over that, you don't even know yet. So that's gone right in. This one, a little bit of texture to it, so that's a little bit on the surface as well as underneath. Now this one here, I've sanded it back with 2 thou and 3 thou grit, wet and dry sandpaper. So I've damp sanded it. So wet sanding is hose on the panel and your wet sand. Damp sand, spray it with water and sand it back. So I've damp sanded this. It's smooth as baby's bot, and so I'll give this a polish up now and just show you the result, hopefully. And I believe that I can't see anything through the sanding marks there, that there is any blemishes sort of sticking around. It is possible there is, being bird crap, it can go pretty deep. So some of it you may not get all of it out by doing this method. Doesn't matter what method. Sometimes with the bird or bat poop, it is that acidic and it goes that deep that you've got no choice but to repaint. So I'm going to give this one a bit of a polish now, and I'll show you in the next video the results of this section here. So just to show you, it's the driver's side just above the headlight, so no trickery, right? Driver's side, headlight, just above that. So next video, I'll show you the results of the polish on this section, and we'll see how we go. Alright, thanks guys, scrubbers. Alright guys, scrubber again. So that, just to show you no tricks, driver side headlight, and this area here was the area that was damp sanded down for that the bird poo etching. Now the bird poo etching, there is, I don't know if the camera's going to pick it up, it may not. Actually, yeah, you can see a little bit of a ripple there, just where that light is, just above my finger. So that there is where the bird etching was. Now that there, unfortunately, is way too deep to be able to safely remove with wet sanding. However, to the naked eye, that section there is mirror finish. That's pretty nice. Now, it's, you have a look at that. I'll get a bit further away if I can. Let's have a look at it. So looking at that, there's nothing now like what the where's that other one? Here. So it's now nothing like that. I mean, look at that. So that's a light over the bird etch. Okay. And back down to the bottom here near the light, where I took the other one out. So there's a section there. So there's little dimples in the paintwork. That's all that's left. To the naked eye, it's 100%. To the naked eye, it's 100%. Just that under certain lighting, obviously getting in close with the camera and stuff, you can see those tiny little dimples. But that's it. To the naked eye, that's pretty much 99% correction, which is what we're achieving, what we're aiming to achieve today. So I'll now get moving on to the rest of these ones. We'll get these out. Same method. Damp sand them down, and then polish the polish areas up to a almost 100% finish, and then we'll do the whole vehicle and get the whole vehicle looking 100% again. So get all the swirl marks and and watermarks, etc. out of it, and get it sorted. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for following the page, and for all supporters out there, I really appreciate it. Yeah, let's get cracking. Alright, talk soon. Cheers, scrubber.